Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can quickly and easily check the ink level in your printer via your iPhone. Be sure, friends, put your likes, please write your comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let's get down to our topic with you. And you can quickly and easily check the ink level on your printer using your iPhone or iPad. In order for you to be able to do that, you'll need to either open up some image that you'd like to print out, or perhaps a document or a website of some sort. I'm going to open a website. After that, you will need to, friends, click right here on the bottom left on this sign. And then select the three dots. And then select Print here. This is if you're opening a website, and also yourself find the option to print. If you are opening a document or a photo, this will be even easier to do. After that, you will need to go to the printer section, where you will have information downloaded about how much ink you have, what color, whether or not your printer is running out of ink. And based on this information, you will already know whether you can print a certain file on your printer or not. This is a very simple method to check the ink level in your printer. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments, and be sure to put likes. See you soon, friends.